Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Peggy and I'm so glad you're here. Guys, we just hit 1,000 subscribers. Woohoo! I'm just beyond happy, ecstatic, and just grateful for every single one of you that have joined me on this platform. And I appreciate each and every one of you. My last video, I mentioned that this was a two-part series. The first one was a dining experience, which I posted on Friday, and I was supposed to post this video on Saturday, which was yesterday, but I couldn't do that because I just recovering from a cold. I completely lost my voice on Saturday and couldn't do anything at all. So that's why this video is coming up late. So I apologize for the way my voice sounds, and yeah, I'm posting late as well. So sorry about that. So in this video, I'll be showing more of the gallery like I mentioned in part one. So let's just get into it. So Restoration Hardware is an upscale home furnishing company with its headquarters in California. Here is given pure luxury vibe when you step into their gallery, and their pieces are of the highest quality. Their wood is actually sourced from the very best pieces of wood, such as a nice grain with very little or no blemish. You'll see pure craftsmanship here, clean lines, and romantic details. I'm like a kid in a candy store anytime I visit their gallery. I just go completely giddy, you know. There's just so much beauty to behold, and I just use the opportunity to just soak everything. I'm like a sponge. I just soak everything, just take everything in, and yeah, and it also broadens my perspective about interior design, and I'm always beyond inspired looking at their work. Actually make it a point of duty to visit their gallery when I'm in a different state, and just kind of have a feel of what's new in each state, and or in each gallery. And so far I've been to the one in Las Vegas, Atlanta, and Chicago. The Chicago store has 6 floors of home decor gorgeousness that would leave you in absolute awe. I remember I was like, you know, just in total amazement looking at everything. And I'm talking design styles from traditional to modern, contemporary, transitional, and just pure beauty. And the Las Vegas store at Tivoli Village is the largest they have in the US. I'll be very honest with you. I've never really been a brass kind of girl, but seeing the way they pair them up here at the gallery makes you appreciate this finish so much. I just look at it and just appreciate the beauty of a brass finish more now than I ever did. I'll be very honest with you. And so, yeah, tell me what you think. I love the simple, clean look of this bedroom. I love how it's styled. It's not busy. It's just elegant and has enough visual interest. And every piece here is just unique in its own style. And you appreciate it so much more with, the minimal decor here. How elegant is this bookend? One thing I like about it, Restoration Hardware, is the fact that their pieces are very unique, exquisite. It's not what you'll find in the regular store. They're very unique, and I appreciate that about them. I can't even begin to tell you how obsessed I am with this chandelier. It's the Aquitaine round chandelier from the Aquitaine collection, and I have dreamt of putting that in my hallway, but my bank account just tells me, girl, sit down and behave yourself, okay? Behave yourself. It's a little pricey and out of my reach for now. So So hubby and I used the opportunity to check out their hardware. There's actually a big project that we're working on right now that is probably going to take a very long time. So wanted to see a long time before I share. So wanted to see what they had, to see how it would work with work in our project. And so hopefully I'll share what the project is about in the coming weeks. We're right now in the design process, and I'm excited, really excited about this project, and can't wait to share with you guys soon, hopefully soon. More stunning chandeliers, and the detail around these gold mirrors is just gorgeous, just breathtaking. Beautifully styled bed, very neutral and soft and romantic. My older daughter would really love this. Minimal, elegant coffee table decor. Before I was of the opinion that I had to cram the coffee table with a lot of decor to give it a full, beautiful look. But boy, have I departed from that and simplified a lot. I mean, a whole lot. My design style has evolved over the years, and I've learned so much and continue to grow on this journey. Another fab brass chandelier. I really love this one. This is really stunning. I wouldn't mind having this in my bedroom. It's a really beautiful piece. I love that one. Heading now to the ground level, I will tell you, steadying this camera and walking down the stairs was no easy feat at all. Anyway, love these picture lights. Picture lights essentially highlight a picture, an art, an architectural detail, and I love how these picture lights frame the mirrors, and ideally they are hung 6 to 7 inches above the art to illuminate the said art. How stunning is this agate gallery wall? I mean, I could stare at it all day and night. Probably wouldn't catch any sleep at all, that I will say. And I think it's really beautiful the way it just it's over the bed. And a closer look, love, love, love. Another gallery wall, this time with C-fan frame, framing this beautiful canopy bed. And there's that fabulous visual interest that I find very captivating. What you guys think? A closer look. Love, love, love. Beautiful detail on this stained mirror. Love, love. Love this textured seat table with brass finish. Essentially, seat tables are cool side tables that have legs that can slide under a sofa or couch and can be used for placing drinks, laptops, and etc. I have one in my living room. And we just take a moment to appreciate how stunning this bedroom is. The gorgeous chandelier, the framed art over the tufted, beautiful grey bed, the Roman sculpture, all the beautiful pieces, creating a harmonious union. It's all very inviting. You want to linger, stay a while. I absolutely love this bedroom. This is probably one of my favorite from this gallery. Love everything. And this concludes the tour of the gallery. I hope you have enjoyed it as much as I have, and you are inspired to create beautiful spaces in your home. Thank you so much for watching. You know what, in the comment section, tell me one feature or several features that you have loved about the gallery. And if you want to watch the first part of, like I said, this is a two-part series. If you want to watch the first part, the dining experience at the rooftop restaurant, you can watch it right here. And if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed, it would be an honor for you to join our family by hitting that subscribe button and notification bell so that you know the next time I upload a video. I have so many fun videos that I will be putting up pretty soon. Some cleaning, spring cleaning videos, some decorating, some tour videos, organization, and what have you. So looking forward to sharing that with you. Have a blessed week, everyone.